spread them out. That could have been worse, Brian. That could have been worse. Couple more to start. Nice Topher sitting back a little. And Chris Fleming, we're all underway. Work together, gang. Work together. All right. Minute in, we got Shane or Jacob Breath on an 18.5.11. Shane on an 18.5.14. Topher on a 5.15. Noah, you're on a 17.502, Scott a 5.05, Brian Anthony 5.07, Chris on a 5.07, Kenny on a 16.5 flat, and Britt 16.502. The good thing is there's 3 minutes and 45 seconds to go. Silver truck, white wheels, entering infield, Jacob Breath. That's your lead truck. He's just behind Brian Anthony on the track.
3 minutes left.
3 minutes to go. We got Shane Keys sitting on a 5.15, but Breath is on a 5.08. Brian Anthony 17.503, Topher on a 5.03, Fleming on a 5.05, Scott G 5.07, Brian Anthony 5.08. It's tight. Britt on a 5.06.16, and Kenny on a 5.09.16. Breath on a 5.09, it's good for TQ. Shane Keys still the 2 on a 5.16. Topher banging out some good laps. Go inside the straightaway. Topher's approaching Brett on the track. He's moving good. That black and green scheme. The RC truck leader there. Shane Keys having a pretty solid run as well out there. That youngster. Seen that guy around the track for many years, man. He's in the green and black around the berm. That's your 2 truck. Get a little squirrely. Shane, you know what to do. You're having a great run. You best let Mr. Jacob Breath by. Be cool. The guys will be quicker for it when the time comes. I'll let you know. Now's probably a good time, Mr. Kane. Lead is on a 5.10, Shane on the 5.15, Chris Fleming in the 3 on a 17.5.01. Topher's up to the 3 now on a 5.02. Fleming on a 5.03, Noah on a 5.04, Brian Anthony on a 17.5.13. Got Britt on a 5.15, Scott G on a 5.18. Kenny 3 seconds off the 17 lapper. Oh, go outside after the second turn. It's clear. That is your leader behind you, Britt, FYI. Jacob Breath still holding it down on a 5.10, 18 lapper. Topher's on a 17.5.01. He's sandwiched in between the Topher and Jacob. That's time. Keep going.
Car 4 is done. Car 3 is done. Car 7 is done. Car 2 is done.
Shane's done. Noah's done. Kenny's done. Scott's done.
Car
Brian
6 is done. Car 1 is
Jacob.
done. Car 10 is done.
Rick.
Car 9 is done.
That's a wrap, I believe.